Wait. Hi. Wait. Hi. What's your name? Which class are you studying? Stand properly first of all. Sariga nilabadu. Do you know rhymes? Say rhymes. Twinkle twinkle. Next right. Next. Right. Ringa roses. Roses are red. Move back, little bit. Move back. Roses are red, sir. Next time. Early to bed. God bless mummy, say.
God bless mummy, God bless daddy, God bless teacher, help us others. To make them happy.
Very good. And next time, chubby cheeks.
Puppy cheeks, dimple cheeks, rolly lips, curly height, eyes are blue, keep it, just wait. Yes.
Very good. I have a little nose. A for apple, round and sweet. You know body parts also? Say body parts.
Body parts. Head, eyes, nose, mouth, cheeks, neck, shoulders, hands, fingers, stomach, legs.
Very good. Did you good job, Nanna? Very good.